So we just arrived at Majestic Elegance and I'm going to give you a quick room tour. We are club level and we have a pool view. The room is beautiful. We just got here. I'm going to quickly show you before we head over to the buffet and grab something quick to eat. So we're room 2244 and this is what the room looks like when you first walk in. Over here is a nice large vanity area. They have a blow dryer. And then over here, there some body wash. I don't know if this is body wash or body lotion, body milk. I don't know, we'll figure it out. Some soap. And then here's the toilet room. On this side, you have your shower. And you can see there's also a tub over here in the corner. Lots of storage space, which is nice. So you have a closet here with an iron and an ironing board. Oh, it looks like we have a couple of towels and also some slippers, which is really nice. We're just waiting for our luggage, so we did not unpack anything yet. And here you have your safe. And then more shelving in here. Definitely plenty of storage space. It looks like there's also room to put our luggage underneath the bed, which is nice. Little sitting area, desk, and our luggage just came. That was the knock at the door. There is some storage here as well with a phone, and you scan this over here and you can take a look at the app and see everything that's going on. The Michael Jackson show is going on tonight, so I'm excited for that. So this is where we left off. Nice desk area, TV. And they left us a beach bag that we can use, which is great. Another end table over there. Now over here, you step down, there's a little stair. And then here is the little mini bar area. So they have some drinks out for us. They also let us pick an additional drink. So we chose Tanqueray. We have a little coffee machine and water. And then in here, there's some beer and water and soda and snacks, which is really nice. Some more snacks over here. The tub, they left us a little fruit platter, and there's the couch. And I will show you guys the pool view later when there's no one in it, because there's some people out there now. There's Jim having a beer and counting his money. We're already giving out lots of tips. So that is our room tour. It's very beautiful here. The buffet closes for lunch in about 10 minutes, so we're gonna head over there and grab something to eat. So we're just getting ready for dinner. We're going to check out the Steakhouse tonight because that's one of the restaurants that you do not need reservations for. And then tonight is the Michael Jackson show, which is one of my favorites. When I stayed at the Majestic Mirage, I loved that show. So I'm glad that we realized it was tonight because it's our arrival day and we could have easily missed it. So we're gonna go see the show tonight. I am all dressed and ready to go. And that's really it. We tried to go to the beach. It looked like it was gonna rain and then it started to drizzle a little bit. So we decided to just come back to the room, shower, and get ready for dinner. Really loving this resort. Our butler has been here multiple times already. He brought us Tanqueray because you can see it over there, somewhere, see it over there, because that was our request. So he's been really, really helpful. And now he's going to be making reservations for us for the spa one day this week. So it's been really nice having a butler. So we headed over to the steakhouse, which was called Asadito, and it was really cute inside. We really liked the atmosphere. We ordered appetizers and of course we got steak for dinner, but for an appetizer, I ordered the chicken fingers. They were not what you would consider to be chicken fingers here in the States. They were a little bit different, but they were still pretty good. The steak was okay. They really push everyone to go to the steakhouse, so I feel like they're not maybe getting enough business. This was mine. I got the filet. It was pretty good. The cheesecake was just mediocre. The chocolate cake that we got, same thing, just mediocre. But this was the first night that we headed over to the lobby bar, which ended up being our favorite place to hang out throughout the week. And in the evening, they have a piano bar. At night, they have somebody playing piano, some really great specialty drinks, but our absolute favorite drink, and if you ever go, you need to go see Miguel because he makes his own special spin on a gin and tonic. And we literally came here every night for this gin and tonic. It was amazing. I'm not sure exactly what he all had in it, but there was passion fruit, which gave it a little bit of a twist. There was cinnamon in it. It was absolutely delicious. Highly recommend. Again, we were there every single night requesting this drink. And then, of course, the Michael Jackson show, which is always so much fun. I really enjoyed the performance. And if you watched my previous vlog when we stayed at Majestic Mirage during this show, when they do the Thriller scene, all of the monsters, so this is a spoiler, so don't listen if you don't want to know. But when they do Thriller, the monsters come out to the audience and they scare the heck out of you. And even though I knew it was coming, I got scared again. But it was a lot of fun, a lot of laughs, and a great way to end the night. I'm going to share every day of our trip. I'm going to share the food, excursions that we did, and everything. So please continue to follow along, and I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.